episode of Cooking for One with Jed. I am your host, Jed. Today we'll be cooking savory scrambled eggs. Let's start.
First, get an egg from the refrigerator. Next, put egg on the counter and get a pan to fry it in. I didn't have a small pan, so this pot will suffice. Next, get a bowl to mix the seasoning in with your egg. The seasonings you will need are black pepper, salt, garlic, and parsley. First, you add 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. I didn't have black pepper, so I'll put chocolate milk powder instead. Then you add the salt. About 1/4 teaspoons will do. Next, you chop the garlic really finely. I remember when I was a kid, my brother used to like to play pranks a lot on me for fun. One time, he tried to stab me with the butcher knife and he accidentally cut off my middle finger. It was really bloody. I had to go to the doctor to get it fixed. Finally, you add the parsley. I didn't have parsley, so I picked some leaves off of a tree outside of my house and chopped that up instead. Next, you mix everything into the egg and place them on the element of your stove, or the burner if you have a gas stove. After this, you cook the egg. I like to scramble my egg when it is halfway done. It falls apart easier, like my life.
Finally, you enjoy your nice meal for one. Thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Jed. Bye.